Hi, it's the FYI guy. I'm working on a set of string lights. These are Christmas lights, but the concept here works for any set of string lights, whether they're Halloween or Easter or whatever you have for your camper. Most of these lights, if not all of them, have a fuse. They're housed in the plug. This plug says open here. There's a little door. It says 3 amp max. Generally, you get a couple spare fuses when you purchase the string lights. There's a little filament. Filament is basically a very thin wire. It's the mechanism that actually breaks when you have a short. It's the weakest point in the whole strand. Now to open this, there's a small little slot that I can get my fingernail in, and then there's another slot, and actually a third slot. What you'll need is a small screwdriver. Just kind of pop it out of there. Just loosen that booger out of there, and there you go. See a little bit of corrosion on this? Sometimes you can just sand the corrosion off of them. And if they are broken, if the link, the little filament in there is bad, they're generally dark, they're cloudy, they're black, they're brown smoke from the heat that's generated, and it'll cloud this glass. That's how you know if you got a burnt one. Generally, all your lights will be out. Now, if you have a bad bulb or two, you might lose 6, 8, 10 lights. But generally, if all your lights don't work, the first thing I would check is the fuse. So I'm going to go ahead and pop a new one in here. Slide the end towards the prongs first. Put that end in there first. And then just kind of pop it down in there with your screwdriver. Then it's just a matter of closing your door there. And you're good to go. Plug it in. And there you got it, a working set of lights.